Hello children, today we are going to learn about diseases due to malnutrition. In previous classes we have learnt about food is important to us to maintain our biological process inside our body. We have to eat balanced diet which contains carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals, salts, and fats. In world population, 2 by 3 members are affecting. Some of them are suffering by consuming high calorific food. Most of them are facing various diseases due to lack of balanced diet. It is very important to know about food deficiency diseases. Eating of food that does not have one or more than one nutrients in required amount is known as malnutrition. The reasons for malnutrition in our country are poor health, willful starvation, lack of awareness of nutritional habits, socio-economic factors. In our country, excessive people are poor and they have no proper education and their economic status is very below average. Due to these reasons, they have no proper nutritional habit. That's why they are facing about nutritional deficiency problems. Malnutrition that develops rapidly due to an imbalance between consumption and nutrient requirement. Malnutrition is divided into 3 types. 1. Protein malnutrition. 2. Calorie malnutrition. 3. Protein calorie malnutrition. Let us observe harmful effects of malnutrition in children. First one, Kwashiorkor disease. This is due to protein deficiency in diet. This is common in rural areas of developing countries of Africa and Asia. It primarily affects the children in the second year of their life. Kwashiorkor is a African word which means displace of child. That means children weaned from breastfeeding because of the mother's new pregnancy and the children feed with high starch diet. Due to this, the children face Kwashiorkor disease. Symptoms are body parts become swollen due to accumulation of water in the intracellular spaces because there is no protein to form new cells, and very poor muscle development, swollen legs, fluffy face, difficulty to eat, diarrhea, dry skin. These are the symptoms we may observe. Furthermore, some prominent changes in the texture, color, strength and resistance of the hair also may be observed. The Kwashiorkor children disinterested in activities and they are shows irritability in their actions. Second one, marasmus. Marasmus is caused by a diet deficiency in protein and calorie. That means both are deficient in their diet. It can affect both young children and adults. especially in Africa and Southern Asia countries where there are famines and a constant scarcity of food supply. Due to these reasons, the people are facing marasmus condition. This disease occurs when there is an immediate second pregnancy or repeated childbirths to mother. It occurs commonly in children 1 to 3 years. Children with marasmus mostly do not have enough food to eat. In some of African countries, the food production is very less and the people are facing great scarcity in availability of food. So due to these reasons, the people are facing symptoms. The children with marasmus shows lean and weak. Due to less development of muscles, they look like skin and bones. Dry skin and bristle hair, diarrhea are also symptoms of marasmus. Marasmus children are short-tempered and irritable. They did not show any interest in activity. Third one, obesity. This is due to overeating and excess of calories intake. It may occur when you take more calorie food than you burn through exercise and normal activities. Body stores these excess calories as fat. These excess fat stored beneath the skin. Due to this, their size shows bigger than normal people. The people with obesity might eat more calorie food before feel hungry, and they feel hungry soon, and they eat more due to stress or anxiety. Eating of junk food may lead to obesity. Obesity is a big health hazard. Obese children, while growing, they face many problems, many diseases like diabetic, cardiovascular, renal, gallbladder,